As you get older, the rules are sometimes made to be broken. Be bold enough to live life on your own terms and never apologize for it. Go against the grain. Refuse to conform. Take the road less traveled. Laugh in the face of adversity. Dance as though everybody is watching, because they are. And stubbornly refuse to fit in. I say this because over time, you'll begin to learn who you are. You'll begin to value yourself more than anything in the world. We're constantly changing. We're constantly growing and evolving. And I'm just so blessed and humbled and content in knowing that I finally found me. I finally found how divine I am, how powerful, how empowering. I am divine. I am divinely Ayahnna. So what is this divinely Ayahnna all about? My motto is to live your best life with a divine purpose. So my platform is to create informative lifestyle content as it relates to military, beauty, cosmetics, marriage, motherhood, parenthood. I can go on and on and on of all the topics that I will be presenting to you. But I want this platform to touch lives. My hope is to inspire, motivate, and empower my followers and my community at large with positive affirmations, motivational, different outlooks, personal perspective, showing you positive outcomes. So I'm not here just to slay my makeup. I am here in hopes to give informative content to touch your life. I thank you guys for the year's support, and I appreciate you guys, your comments, sharing my videos, your feedback. It means the world to me. So keep it coming. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed.